Drop a beat? Holy shit! Oh. Silence! 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 Hold on a minute.
A 20% chance of snow.
Wait a minute.
Lows in the mid-20s. Northeast winds 5 miles an hour.
You're about to drop a beat
Wednesday,
at the wrong time.
sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Wednesday night,
Come on.
mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s.
My first alert
Thursday,
on the 253 is about to come in.
a 20%
It's starting to drop the beat.
rain showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s.
Oh.
Thursday night, mostly cloudy.
Here it goes.
A slight chance of showers until midnight, then a chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the mid-40s.
You gonna relay?
Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain. Highs in the mid-60s. Friday night, mostly cloudy.
Relay?
A chance of rain until midnight, then rain
Please?
likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 70%.
Relay?
Saturday, rain. Highs in the mid-50s. Chance of precipitation
Gadget
80%.
76, please.
Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Rain likely until midnight, then a chance of rain after midnight. Lows in the
Please.
mid-30s.
There we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 551, effective until 4 a.m. Monday.
Oh.
This watch
Wow.
includes the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
Why am I
including
400?
tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 551 has been issued until 4 a.m. Monday for the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson, and Union. This hazardous weather outlook is for